directions for 18 through 23 are to name the transformations applied to the parent function y equals the natural log of x, and that would be used to create the functions below. So I am going to do number 19. Number 19 has two transformations. One of them is this negative in the front, and one of them is this 2. All right, so let's just start with the negative in the front. So that negative is going to be a reflection. And because the negative is in front of it, it's going to be a reflection on the x-axis. If the negative had been on the inside, we call that the yin side. That would be a reflection on the y-axis. All right, and then that 2 is multiplied on the inside, so it's going to be a horizontal change. And if you guys remember, the inside lies. So multiplying by a bigger number bigger than 1 on the inside is actually going to be a horizontal shrink or a horizontal compression. All right. So I'm going to review those real quick. If you need to see this, you can. If you're good, just go on and start working the problems. But when you add inside, that is going to shift left. Subtract inside is going to shift right. Add outside shifts up. Subtract outside shifts down. Multiply outside by a number bigger than 1, greater than 1 is going to be a vertical stretch. Multiply outside by a number that's between 0 and 1. That's going to be a vertical shrink. Okay. Multiply inside by a number that's bigger than 1, greater than 1 is going to be a horizontal shrink, just like we had in this example. Multiply inside by a number between 0 and 1 is going to be a horizontal stretch. All right, and then the last two were the reflections. So a negative on the outside, like we just had on this example 19, that is going to be reflection on the x. And then a negative inside, I call that the yin side, kind of like what you have right here. I hate to give you another answer, but that's going to be reflection on the y-axis.